Deadly terror attack in the Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir on the April 22nd, 2025, which claimed the life of 26 civilians, have significantly escalated tensions between the India and Pakistan. Also in the aftermath, India has taken a firm stance warning the Pakistan against unprovoked ceasefire violation along the line of control, that is LOC, and engaging with the international community to highlight the issue. Meanwhile, the regional power, that is the Qatar, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait, have also called for the restraint from both sides to prevent any further escalation. India's stern warning to Pakistan over ceasefire violations. Also, the Director General of the Military Operation, that is the DGMOs of the India and Pakistan, held an hotline conversation on the April 29 to address recent unprovoked ceasefire violations by the Pakistan Army along the LOC and the international border. India issued a strong warning to Pakistan, condemning the repeated breaches and emphasizing that Indian forces have responded firmly and proportionately to these provocations. Also, the violations, which have intensified since the Pahalgam attack, were reported in sectors including the Naushera, Sundarbani, Akhnur, Baramulla and Kupwara. Also, India's diplomatic outreach to the UNSC has also bid to the garner of the international support that India have been reaching out to the 7 non-permanent members of the UNSC. Also, the External Finance and the External Affairs Minister, that is S. Jaishankar, have also been actively engaging with his counterparts, including a recent conversation with the Kuwaiti Foreign Minister to underline India's position and need for collective action against terrorism emanating from the Pakistan. Calls for the restraint from Qatar, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. Amid the rising tensions, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait have also urged both Pakistan and India to exercise restraint and avoiding any actions that could further destabilize the nation. These Gulf nations have emphasized dialogue and diplomacy as the only viable path to resolving the crisis, reflecting concern over the potential for the escalation between the two nuclear-armed neighbors. Also, escalation of the diplomatic military measures have been taken. Following the Pahalgam attack, India has implemented several punitive measures against Pakistan, including the suspension of the Indus Water Treaty, closure of the Atari integrated check post, suspension of visas and reduction in diplomatic staff.